The 6 most profitable businesses in 2021. Some people venture into entrepreneurship knowing what industry they want to conquer and what type of business they want to start. However, for many new entrepreneurs, it can be difficult to figure out how to start a business and exactly what kind of business is the best choice. It's tough to find that perfect idea. There's nothing to say that any business idea that you come up with won't be profitable, but if you're looking for a good place to start, you'll want to check out this list of the most profitable small businesses. Number 6. Vacation rentals. Sites like Airbnb or VRBO have made it easier than ever to profit from your unused vacation property, or even your extra bedroom. Plus, it's not too difficult to become an Airbnb host, and the demand for these types of rentals has only grown in recent years. Therefore, if you live in a highly desirable tourist destination, you can easily make a profit renting space in your home to travelers. Number 5. Newborn and post-pregnancy services. Although millennials are deferring parenthood for longer than previous generations, they eventually want to have kids. In fact, in 2019, 1.2 million millennials became first-time mothers. Therefore, the need for child-oriented businesses is growing, starting with post-pregnancy and newborn-related services. Demand for doulas and lactation consultants in particular have risen among new mothers, and both business options have relatively low overhead requirements beyond education and certification, meaning these professions could easily become one of the most profitable businesses for you to start. Number 4. Electronics repair. To say that Americans these days are obsessed with electronics would be a bit of an understatement. People spend most of their waking hours staring at a screen of some sort. This widespread tech addiction means that when something goes wrong, people want help as soon as possible. Therefore, there's no doubt that mobile electronic repair services are popular and could easily be one of the most profitable small businesses. With this service, you could be the solution for every broken iPhone screen, Wi-Fi card, and laptop battery. Plus, you'll be even more successful if you're willing to travel to your customer. Number 3. Car wash services. Next on our list of the most profitable businesses, mobile car wash services. It seems safe to say that many people would pay a premium for a mobile car wash that came to them instead of having to drive across town to access a car wash. This is especially true for people with upscale cars who prefer more personalized service. As a mobile car wash and auto detailing service, you wouldn't only benefit from the unique value proposition of being mobile, but you'd also avoid the significant overhead and startup cost of having a physical location. Number 2. Food trucks. The food truck movement is slated to keep growing and growing. As rent in major cities across the country increases, it's becoming more difficult for up-and-coming specialty food artisans to finance a brick-and-mortar location in the bustling centers of town where their customers are more likely to be. Food trucks provide a great solution. You can start a food truck by hitting the road and parking yourself at local events, farmers markets, or the local town square. Number 1. Auto repair. Taking a car to the shop for even simple repairs can be a challenge. After all, most of us use our cars to get from place to place. That means taking a car in for repairs often either involves a long wait at the repair shop, renting a vehicle for the day, or coordinating a ride with a friend or spouse. These options are both expensive and inconvenient. The good news is that while some repair jobs do require the equipment of an auto shop to complete, there are plenty of maintenance and repair services that need just a few simple tools to complete. If you're skilled as a mechanic, you might consider a mobile auto repair service as one of the most profitable business ideas.